This is Alan Wilson of Cartridge Concept, and in this video we're going to look at replacing a toner cartridge in the OKI C3300 printer. This printer has 4 toner cartridges in total: black, cyan, magenta and yellow, and all require to be replaced individually. For best value, I recommend purchasing the high yield version of these cartridges, as this will give more prints and lead to lower printing costs. The printer will give you plenty of warning when the toner cartridge is about to run out. Order a new toner depending on which colour is indicated, and when the replace toner cartridge sign appears, it's time to get the new toner out. Remove the toner from the bag. If you've ordered an OKI original, check that the hologram's in place. The toner comes with full fitting instructions. Remove from the bag. Give the cartridge a gentle shake to free up the toner. Remove the white seal from the bottom of the cartridge. Open the printer door and the cartridges will be arranged in front of you. Clean the lens arrays with the lens cleaner supplied. It is important to keep these arrays clean, as not doing so can lead to a deterioration in print quality. Remove the cartridge by pressing the blue lever towards you and fit the new cartridge left hand side first, remembering to lock in place by pressing the blue lever away from you. And that's that toner completed. It's time to start printing again.